It is given that if A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap and B vector is equal to minus I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap, then projection of A on B will be. Now let's see, what do you mean by projection of A on B? So we know that suppose we are having a vector, take it as B vector, and another vector, take it as A vector, and assume that the angle between A vector and B vector is theta. Then the component of A along the direction of B, or that vector is also known as nothing but projection of A on B. So the component of A on B is nothing but A cos theta. So over here, according to the options, we just come to know that they are just giving the magnitude of projection. That means they are just giving the component A cos theta. So let's see how to find out the value of A cos theta. So for the calculation of A cos theta, we should know the value of A that we can find out, that's magnitude, but we don't know the value of angle between them. So the best method to find out the value of A cos theta is from the dot product we can write A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. So the value of A cos theta, can be written as nothing but A vector dot B vector divided by B. So let's see how to find out the value for it. So what we'll do is just find out the value of A dot B first. So as we know that this is our A vector and this is nothing but our B vector. And our aim is to find out what about the value of A vector dot B vector. Let's see what is this A vector dot B vector. We can write this is 2 into minus 1, that is nothing but minus 2. And over here 3 into 3, which we can take it as nothing but 9. Next one is minus 1 into 4, which we can take it as minus 4, which is equal to 3. So we got the value of A dot B, that is equal to 3. Now we required one more information, that is magnitude of B. So our aim is to find out what is the magnitude of this vector, B vector. So we can write magnitude of a vector is nothing but under root of its x component square, that is minus 1 square, which is 1, plus 3 square, which is 9, plus 4 square, this is 16. So we can write this is under root of 26. Now we can just substitute this value over here. So this is going to be 3 divided by root of 26. So that is the component of A along the direction of B, or the magnitude of projection of A along the direction of B.